2019 Volvo S60 is all new in speculative render. If you're a fan of the S90's design, there's a good chance you will also appreciate the new S60. There's no doubt Volvo brought a breath of fresh air in the overly crowded SUV segment some years ago when it launched the XC90. Just about the same thing happened with the sedan and wagon genres after the launch of the S90 and V90, respectively. Since then, the Geely-owned has launched the completely new XC60 and has also introduced the first ever XC40. The next order of business is likely a revamp for the S60 and V60 duo, with the latter spotted undergoing testing in Sweden for the first time almost 2 months ago. But today we're here to talk about the sedan, which should take after its bigger brother, the S90. If this speculative render coming from Motor1.com Italy, OmniAuto.it is any indication, the next S60 will look quite fetching.